How to overlay picture in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Make sure you have your video selected. Now, to add picture in picture, click on overlay at the bottom. Click on add overlay at the bottom. You'll find photos at the top. Select the picture you want to add. Now you can drag the image wherever you want. Zoom in, zoom out as well. After you've added the picture at the bottom in the timeline, you can select for how much you want. After that, you can click on the arrow at the top right and save the video. This is how to overlay picture in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.